Ready to tackle that annoying cookie without wiping your browser history? Today, we're exploring Google Chrome's depths to uncover the secret of deleting a single cookie while keeping the rest of your data untouched. Let's dive in. Now, there are two ways to do this, and we'll talk you through both. Method 1. From the web page, visit the website in Chrome whose cookies you want to clear. Next, hit the View Site Information button, usually found next to the refresh button. After that, select Site Settings from the pop-up menu. Next, click the Delete Data button, followed by Delete. And just like that, cookies for the site are history. Method 2. Chrome Settings. First, fire up your Chrome browser on your computer. Then hit the three-dot icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Next, navigate to Settings. After that, click on Privacy and Security in the left side menu. Then select Third-Party Cookies. Next, click on See All Site Data and Permissions. Now, locate the website whose cookies you want to remove. Then, click the trash icon next to its web address. Finally, hit Delete and poof, the site's cookie is gone. So, that's how you zap a single cookie from a website in Chrome on your PC. If this video helps you out, then smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below, and thanks for watching.